Subscribe to get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today let's see how to make crispy honey chili potatoes. For that, I have taken 2 potatoes which I have peeled and chopped into batons like the way we do it for fries. I've kept them in cold water for almost 5 minutes. We need to boil these potatoes for 3 to 4 minutes. I've already heated some water here. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Now let's add the potatoes and boil it for 3 to 4 minutes. The reason why we are boiling these potatoes is because we want to get rid of the starch as much as we can. So when we fry the potatoes, they'll be nice and crisp. As you can see, the starch is floating. Let's switch off the flame and remove these potatoes and keep it aside for 5 minutes. Let's cool these potatoes. I'm going to make a mixture of half a cup of flour, quarter cup of cornstarch, a teaspoon of pepper powder and some salt. Mix this really well. And let's coat these potato batons evenly with this mixture. I'm going to remove these coated potato batons in another bowl. We need to be really gentle with them as they are parboiled. To this mixture, I'm going to add a tablespoon of oil. Mix it well. Add about quarter cup of water and make a nice batter. And I'm going to add these potato batons back into this batter and coat them well. The batons are coated really well with the batter. Now let's deep fry them on a medium flame in hot oil till they're nice and golden and crisp. As you can see, the potato fries are fried really well, crisp and golden. Let's remove them. The potatoes are ready. Now let's make a sauce. I have 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. To that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, a teaspoon of soy sauce. Mix it well. Just see that there are no lumps formed. To this I'm going to add half a cup of water. So the sauce is ready as well. Now let's make the honey chili potatoes. For that I've heated a wok. I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil. And I'm going to add half a cup of spring onions, a heaped tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 inch of ginger that I have cut into juliennes. I'm going to saute this for a few seconds. I'm getting a lovely fragrance of the ginger and garlic. I'm going to add half a cup of sliced capsicum, two teaspoons of sugar, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, the sauce mixture. Cook this for a minute. And I'm going to add the potatoes. Toss them well. I'm going to sprinkle some spring onions that I have chopped. I'm going to shut the flame now and add a heaped tablespoon of honey. Mix this well. And now let's remove it in a serving bowl. And our crisp honey chili potatoes are ready to be served. You can serve this as a starter or you can have it with fried rice, anything of your choice. So do try this recipe and let me know.